Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. Here is our third lecture of Maths Class 1. Keep your stationery and countdown book with you. Today our topics are subtraction both in horizontal and vertical form. What will happen when we add or subtract 0 to a number? In our previous lecture, we used the number line to add two numbers both in horizontal and vertical form. Now we are starting subtraction of two numbers using number line. This is the sign of subtraction and we say it minus sign as well. Here is a number line on your screen and let's see how to use number line for subtraction. That is one number from another. Let's try to do a problem using number line. Here we are trying to subtract 3 from 4. How we do it on a number line? What is the first number? It is 4. So here is the number 4 on number line and we wish to subtract 3 from 4. So what we should do? We will move backward or towards the left for subtraction. Second number is 3. So let's move 3 backward. 1, 2, 3. Which is the number we had? It is 1. So the answer would be 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Here are some more examples. 7 minus 3. What is the answer? Here are some balls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here are 7 balls and we have to subtract 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. How many balls are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. So what is the answer? 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Another example. 6 minus 4. What is the answer? Candies you can see on your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take away 4 candies. How many candies are left? 1, 2. So what is the answer? 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Subtraction in vertical form. Subtraction in vertical form is same as subtraction in horizontal form. For example, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to minus 2. Cut 2 stars. How many are remaining? 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. That is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Another example. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You can see 7 flowers on your screen. We have to minus 2 flowers from these. Cut 2 flowers. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 5. 7 minus 2, answer is 5. Our next topic is about the number 0. 0 is a special number. The number 0 is written as the number 0 denotes no object. For example, you have one ball in a box. You give that one ball to your brother. Tell me how many balls are left? Yes, you are right. There is no ball, which means there is 0 ball. Properties of 0. When we add or subtract 0 to a number, the number stays the same. Addition with 0. Let's see what happens when 0 is added to any number. There are 3 cherries in the first ball and no cherries in the second ball. How many cherries are there in both bowls? Yes, you are right. There are 3 cherries altogether. That is 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. We know that 0 means no object. So what happens when we subtract with 0? As we know that when 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, from a bunch of 7 flowers, if we take away 0 flower, there will still be 7 flowers in the bunch. So 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Now, when we subtract two same numbers, the answer will be 0. Subtracting two same numbers. You have 4 color pencils and you gave 4 pencils to your friend. How many pencils you have? Nothing. You have no pencil. It means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. These are the practice pages for you. Page number 7 and page number 8. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.